Katamasa, Kapule, Kadangle, Kathok, Katar, Kablatip, Kum ka Literary Festival, Arhajar Pesan, Kabalaisngi, Kabalasdang Haka Arpo Tarik Naiwing, Arhajar Pesan, Kalapoi Sakasngi, Kabaar Mtakasngi, Arpoi Tarik Naiwing, Arhajar Pesan, Barkankut Lasai Gasngi, Arpo Tarik Naiwing, Arhajar Pesan, Kabalalong Hanan Polong. Hagane, Katamasa, Dagi Hajar Ngot, Kibrug Lalek Ben Sakhi, Yakane, Kalekmen. Hakane katamasa kidon kumbasan phongut kinong tho klapoi bane simanta kan thup ekiba nakane ke jala kiba na kari India bar kumju kiba na sabar jong kari India klapoi hakane katamasa bane simanta lang u session karuna tilaka unong thokot nari Lanka habakran hagilat pathai kubor uloong ba arpos ne mansua kladon kejingkren ba kikot kin saja ano namar kelayo ban pule haki mobile kibala tip kum ke digital book handrai kane kam shemla jia kumba jia ya ki jingruai ne ki bioskop ki kot kenang sa bat kenang yaisa ulong ba kum no thokot ula poisha Assam Sikkim Ladakh handrai shame khlia kalong kasin ke banangkong bat uai ke jingero ya ki jingtanat kemariang ba hakane ke jela bat ke jingbam kilong ki basngiam kawan bat ustunat Hagane jingwan jungu hagane katamasa kaba dang yat menta hanan polong.
Look, we were told 20 years ago that the book will be over once the Kindle digital reading audiobooks will kill the physical book. But I mean that has not happened, and still, I mean I read on the device, I read audio as well, but I still buy the book and I keep it on my bookshelf and all of that. So I don't think those habits are changing. I mean, technology has disrupted music, how we consume music, cinema, but books, we still seem to buy those physical. And I think, look, you can't predict all of that, but writers, as long as you have great stories to tell and you tell them well, that's what matters. Even if the computers can write them, maybe in 10 years computers will be writing our books, but for now I think the book is safe. I've been to Assam a few times. I came to Guwahati for the Brahmaputra Lit Fest about 10 years ago or longer. I've come as a travel writer. I've come to, I guess, a bit more north to Sikkim and to Ladakh and all of that. But yeah, it's my first time in Shillong and enjoying the climate and the sign and the scenery and the people and the conversations.
How do you rate
My time here, I mean, I've only been here a couple of days, but great crowds, great atmosphere, some superb talks and some great writers, and yeah, I've enjoyed it and I'm looking forward to the next couple of days.